Okay, well, I'll get a bit of here for Chris. Get it started. 10:02. 10:02. Got a McBeast Star Destroyer. 50 tickets. Here's the names. PayPal info.
Oh, yeah, you gotta help me. Girl's got her heart set on a new pair of shoes. Our job is to tell her no.
But Mr. Krabs, today is my day off.
Alright. Random's open. Give it a couple refreshes. There's one. Two. Connection info. Alright. Let's see who the winner is. Number 41. Number 41 is the winner. Winner picked. 10:03. 10:03. The winner is number 41 is Spencer Dryer. Congratulations, Spencer. Number 41, you're the winner. Ending comment in the video, 10:04. 10:04. Thanks, everyone. Have a great day.